Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the LitraStudio.com. Hey, coming here with another great product. This is from a company called Litra.com. This is the LitraStudio, pretty exciting unit that these guys have had. I got to tell you, these guys made our 2020 holiday list this year for best gifts to take and get. All of their products actually on the site. We routinely use their products on the Chris Voss Show. We love the crap out of them. We first got introduced to them about, I think, 5 years ago or something like that. And we've just loved their equipment. It works with apps. It's really solid. You have the little small lights that you can take and magnetically put different places to this giant light that they now make, the LitraStudio. And I got to tell you, we're super impressed with this thing. Every product that they make on their website, I highly recommend. And so be sure to check that out. This is the LitraStudio. This thing is massive, and it's the world's most powerful portable RGB WW light for filmmaking, broadcasting, videography, and photography. It blows the doors off the competition. Let me tell you, I've had a few lighting people take a look at this and the specs and go, oh wow, that really does the stuff there. It's got over 1 million unique colors and extreme color accuracy of 97 TLCI. They can do the scene in any location. There's no cords that you have to have. It's got a built-in battery in it. It's got a small footprint, and it'll deliver 3,000 lumens with a built-in swappable 9,000 milliamp hour power bank. Holy wow. Best in class LED technology. They've got a precision design microstructure lens that delivers a smooth and even light pattern with no center hotspot or harsh edges. It's flicker free at all shutter angles, so that's good to have for the photographers. It's got intelligent design with an ultra compact form factor. It packs impressive punch. There's no other fixture on the market, according to their website, that delivers this much power per inch or per ounce. It's really that powerful. It's ultra rugged. I can tell you, we've had the Litra products now for 4 or 5 years. They stand up to a lot of beating and dropping and everything else. Not that you want to drop this big baby, but it's ultra rugged, armor clad, waterproof as well, so that's good. And this stuff happens when you're doing filmmaking, so there you go. It's got enhanced control and connectivity, so you can do a fully tunable color settings, including CCT, HSI, RGB, WW, gel presets, effects, flash modes that can be adjusted in real time. And you can do them largely through either the back of the unit or an app. You can make groups of Litra lights through the app, so you can group up a bunch of these and other lights, and you can control them right from your phone. It's got accessories. The LitraStudio can be used with the Litra's custom-built soft box, barn doors, and honeycomb grids, as well as other traditional light modifiers to soften and shape the light further. We actually have a separate review on the barn door system that you can get from Litra. The dimensions are 5.5 by 3.9 by 2 inches. The weight is 33.5 ounces. The color accuracy is 97 CRI/TLCI. The brightness is 2400 lumen, constant 3000 lumen overdrive, 6000 lumen on the flash. Color temperature runs 2,000 to 10,000 K with adjustable green, magenta, and CCT mode. We ran through the modes a second ago. It's got control and connectivity with a built-in OLED display, Bluetooth out compatible, and DMX control with adapter. The build on it is a crafted aluminum body, waterproof up to 10 meters, 30 feet, and 810G military spec. Battery life on it is 20 hours on low, 1 hour at 2400 lumen. It's got a 9,000 milliamp hour rechargeable fast swappable lithium ion battery, and the rechargeable type on it is 45 watts quick charge adapter with USB PD to Type 2 cable. I got to tell you, we got a chance to test it out. We've been using it actually in our studio to make our videos, and it's really doing a hell of a job. And what's great is it's so easy to transport. You can, unlike our big studio lights, you can just put this little bag, throw it in your briefcase or suitcase or wherever you want to take and do your photographic case, and away you go. Highly recommend the products. I've always loved them. We've loved them for the last 4 years. Like I said, they made our holiday list this year again. You can go to Litra.com, check out all the wonderful products. We recommend everything on their site, and you'll see a lot of reviews we'll have from them. LitraStudio, check it out.